Like, seriously, for the love of God, people should subscribe to this channel so Han will have enough money to actually hire a stuntman.
What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. So we're finally traveling. This is a freestyle vlog spoken in Chinese and English. Don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Originally we had 4 people coming along this trip, but things changed and now we only have 2, and one of them is Alias. Alias isn't really a photographer or a videographer, so I don't really know, like, hey Alias, hey. So like, what are you doing this trip?
My job is to carry your loads of stuff.
It's gonna be an epic travel video.
Yeah, epically painful and tiring.
As you walk in the entrance, you see an awesome opening. I'll show you guys what I mean. You guys can see that. I think it'll be a real cool shot if I can stand somewhere over here. Don't think I can get up there. Oh, Alias, do you reckon you can get an epic photo of me standing on that cliff?
Are you feeling lucky or what? Are you still alive?
Yeah. I'm good.
Alright, that far exceeded my expectation. That is very good.
Get the shot?
Yes, possibly, yes.
You better get the shot. 哦，对了，还有大家，这边有个入场费，小车是5块钱，大巴40块钱。这个不是强制性的，这个是凭良心的。这样可以吗？
好了好了，
脚拍得到吧？
脚拍不到，脚可能有点短了。路，你看，
你到底会不会？
啊，没关系，
花1个小时在这边，
没关系，没关系。
你不要乱来。
相信我专业，相信专业。And you want me to do like a shot?
Yes, you have a camera. I would assume you'll be doing a shot.
Oh well.
Doing.
So now.
Bro, let me show you how it's done. Go stand over there.
Alright, where should I stand? Here?
Yeah. Why are you so dirty?
Why do you have to talk so dirty? My goodness. 老色胚耶。
哎，怎么好像没有路了？哎，前面好像没有路了哎。
但是下面有。
你是想回家是吗？我花了这么多钱过来 travel 油费之类的，还有住宿，你说现在就要回家吗？天还是亮的耶。
But fate said it's not meant to be.
哇，喂 ，Are you okay？ 哎，你还好吧？哇 ，Man, this is slippery. Are you okay？ 你还好吗？你还好吗
？Is this like part of the deal or what?
No, it's not part of the deal. I'm sorry.
Oh. Like, seriously, for the love of God, people should subscribe to this channel so Han will have enough money to actually hire a stuntman.
Oh.
That's like riding a horse, isn't it?
It's much harder. You really take a photo. I can't stand for long.
Okay, let me change to non-PP first. Oh, careful, man. You don't want to see God this young? Yeah. Woo!
Woo! 好了，大家，今天影片就到这边了。希望你们喜欢我们今天的 Quick and Snappy Vlog。这个就是 Clay Cliffs， 它其实面积也不是很大，但是也不是很小 ，somewhere in between. But hey, 有空来这边看看。I really hope that I can edit my photos or fix my photos because, hey, Alias, did you enjoy today's trip?
Well, 如果我跟你不是朋友的话，我根本就不会花钱来这个鸟不生蛋的地方。
哪有，很好玩好吗？
你的好玩的 definition 跟我的 definition 好像不太一样。
好了，不用讲了。我刚才是叫 Alias 这样讲话的，他其实是很开心的，他还想再来一次。好啊，下次见喽，拜。